Hey, what's going on, guys? So today, I'm making slime with my little sister. My mom's behind the camera, and yeah. So this is my little sister's slime kit. Today we're making the clear slime with glitter in it. So yeah, Mommy, go ahead.
Okay. You will take the clear glue.
I got it ready because I know how to measure. You don't really, not yet. Okay, not yet. What do you wanna? How much?
15 milliliters.
Wait, do I need to open it?
I don't know.
Let me go check. No. Yeah. So 15 milliliters. Where is that? It's 4 ounce.
Would be,
Right there.
do you see it?
Yep.
It's the fourth line down.
It's kind of hard.
It is
See?
kind of hard. Do you want me to pour it?
Can you hold it? Yeah, you can pour it.
I will give these both to you, and then you both wait, okay?
And then shout out to Maddie for letting us do her slime kit. Because it's... And then she'll do yours, because it really is hard to see. Oh, that'll be... Maddie, it's okay. It doesn't, stop the video. And it's good.
Yeah, I'll get that for Loki.
And then you wait till the next step, Logan, okay?
Hey, and a good thing is it doesn't use all the glue.
Yeah.
Didn't use... How much did it use? Like a quarter?
Yeah, not quite half.
Okay. There's that.
Pour it into the bowl.
This bowl?
Mm-hmm. You can scrape the sides out to make sure you get as much as
With
possible.
the spoon or the stick?
The stick.
Stick. Yep.
Keep it in the bowl, honey. Can I show you how you scrape it? Go this way.
And then shout out to my mom for reading it to us. And helping us.
I want it everywhere. Ow.
Yes, I've made slime before, but it didn't really go out as well.
Yeah, he made slime with me, but
I didn't record that. That was a long time before I had made.
Logan, when you scrape, so you get it all off the sides.
and then like it holding up because I forgot to put on the lid. So
Okay, is that good?
Yep. Let me
Then
see
we
yours.
can keep that.
Well, you're gonna need that again real quick.
Yeah. Well, we should wash it out before.
Here, look.
no, we can use one of these.
Well, no, we have to, if we have to use the measuring cup again, we should wash it out
You
again.
do need these measuring cup right now, actually.
Okay, let me go and wash them
But you
out.
need water in it, so you need to fill water up to the 20.
Here, open yours.
Room temperature. So just kind of turn it on down, not too hot, not too cold.
So like right in the middle, like this, turn it right up.
Shout out
To
to
the
the
20.
20 milliliters?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in the bathroom real quick to see my tongue.
Ready, baby?
Yeah.
Is that good? Like right there? You can tell. I think that's right on it.
That one's good.
Okay, that one's mine. I just
Mommy. I saw it in the pointy toothpaste of my gums. Ow! Ow! See, guys? Mommy. Mom.
That one is a little bit less, but here you go, Maddie. That one's good, right?
20.
20 milliliters. And I don't know if it's good because it might be cold. Still.
Sorry.
Add it in.
Yep, put it in the same bowl as the glue.
How much? The
All of
whole
it.
thing?
Just dump it in.
sir? Or
Well, do you want to do a color with the glitter, or you just want clear glitter?
clear glitter.
You could add a drop of color, and it'll be more like this.
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Maddie, what color are you gonna do?
Pick a color. Remember, Maddie, do you have purple? You're gonna use the purple glitter.
Yes.
So, what color do you want to mix with the purple?
Green. Cause
Maddie, I don't know if green would like. This would go good with the purple glitter because it's pink and purple.
yeah,
Because the green, it would like, it's a weird color, and that it wouldn't match in with the purple glitter. I'm gonna do the orange with the silver glitter. That wouldn't work, right? Yeah. So why don't you do pink?
She can do whatever she wants.
Okay.
Give her the green.
You want the green?
give me the whole batch.
Yeah. You can break these, right?
Let me see.
Break them. I'm pretty sure.
You're not really supposed to.
Oh.
Okay, can you get a toothpick?
Maddie, can you hold this?
Guys, do you see my tooth? Yeah, I just hold it yesterday. It was bleeding. Mommy, do you have blue eyes?
Yes.
Mom says I have green eyes.
Yeah.
Green. Oh, that's cool.
Maddie, sit down.
You're looking.
Maddie, don't. Sit down. On your butt. On your butt. See, then it's better for the camera.
So,
There you go. There you go. Okay.
So, now you take your spoon. And you...
Not a lot.
Well, it says a spoonful.
So almost all of it.
Not really.
Huh.
Now you can scrape that with your stick into your bowl.
Scrape it with your stick into the bowl. And then I'm gonna do orange. Why don't you just use the other end?
I'm going to, but I need 2 hands to finish.
Oh. This is probably gonna end up. Wait, what's after this? Just stir it,
Glitter.
and then you stir it, and then it should be done.
Yeah, then the glitter, yeah.
Okay, because we still have 2 minutes. Because I said to Maddie, we might have to do a part 2. Because my videos can only really be 10 minutes long.
Is that good? Is that good, Mama?
Yeah, but you know what? You can put your spoon in there and use your spoon too to stir it.
Wait, then you stir.
That's kind of a bad.
It won't be once you use your spoon and mix it all up.
Mine is gonna be so bad.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Like, Logan put so much water in it.
Honey, that's how much you're supposed to have.
Well, Logan had a list.
Man, I had more. The paint isn't really working out.
Well, mine is kind of tiny.
Look, use your spoon.
Well, it might just work when you add the activator.
Yeah, does it need the activator?
And so,
Don't touch it yet.
Hey,
Man, Mom didn't say if we need it.
Mom, do we need the scissors?
No, we can open it with our hands.
Okay.
Yeah, Mommy, this is going to be after part 2.
Maddie, back up so you don't get it in your hair.
Maddie, would you mind holding this? I gotta hold the spoon with 2 hands. Wait, never mind. Just lay him down. Okay, guys, so I have to do, this is part 1. I'm gonna record part 2 right after this, so, bye.